Now this is the additional lecture of the factorization. Let me start. Here, suppose I want to solve this sum, then here 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Now you can solve this sum by the coefficient method. You can see here, this is my plus 2 first term coefficient and plus 5 is the last term coefficient. Now the plus and the 5 2s are 10. I want the middle term by the factors of the 10 and by addition. Now these are the partition, 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 gives me the 10. It is quite simple, you can solve easily. Now what is the change here? Look here. In a sum number 2, 6x square plus 21x and plus 15. Now again I want to go for the question answer. Is there 3 term? Yes. First term positive? Yes. Last term positive? Yes. First term square root possible? No, because here is the 6. Means what? The 6 is the not a perfect square number, while last term 15. Again it is a not perfect square number. Now I want to ask some additional question. Be careful. Here anything common is there? That means what? In a first term, second term and the third term, any number will be common. Now you can see here, this is my 6, this is my 21 and this is my 15. Now you can take the 3 as a common factor. Now when we take the 3 as a common factor, then what is the remaining thing? Here you can see 2x square, 7 3s are 21 means 7x, and here 5 3s are 15. Means what? After taking the 3 as a common factor, now in a bracket, now the new sum arises. It is a 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Now you can see here, this and this are the same sum. Even though I want to solve, means what? Here the 3 as it is. Now I want to go for the coefficient method. You can see on the blackboard, 5 2s are 10. Means what? Here again, first term no change at all. Now which are the partition? Plus 5x and plus 2x is the partition, and the last term again no change at all. Now here 3 again as it is. Now I want to go for the first two and the last two term. Here only x is the common factor. So what is the remaining thing? Here 2x and plus 5 is the remaining thing. In the last two nothing is common, even though I want to take the plus 1 as a common factor. So 2x plus 5 is remaining thing and the completion of the bracket. Now you can see these and these will be same. That means we are on the right track now. 3 again as it is. Now one time 2x plus 5 and remaining thing x plus 1 in the second bracket. Now finally I can write down in this manner. 3 here 2x plus 5 and here x plus 1, and this is the final answer. Now we are going to solve the another question. Okay, now this is the next sum. Here 2x square minus 18 is there. Again the method name will be a difference of the two perfect square. It is clear. But now what is the problem here? In a first case, here 2 is not a perfect square number. And here also 18 is not a perfect square number. Even though I want to solve by this method, then how it is possible? I want to ask the last question. Anything common from this? Now you can see here in both the term 2 is the common factor. That means what? X square minus 9 is the remaining thing. Now this sum we can solve by the difference of the two perfect square number. Now here 2 in a big bracket we can rearrange x square. Here we can write down the 3 the whole raised to square. Now it is just like the a square minus b square. I can go again to no problem. Here x minus 3 and second bracket x plus 3. Now finally we can write down 2 again as usual. Here x minus 3 and x plus 3 is the final answer. What I mean to say here, again you have to ask the latest and the last question to all the sum. Is there anything common from this one? If it is possible, then 101%. That means you must taken the 2 or whatever the number common, and then you can apply the perfect square or the difference of the two perfect square or the coefficient method, and this is the solution.